The next category of iGoogle gadgets is lifestyle. And you can kind of just think about what lifestyle means and get an idea of what gadgets are going to be there. Maybe kind of think of like gadgets related to hobbies will be here. Some like religion, things like fitness are here too. So you see, just looking at this newest to get an idea, there's like find art supplies or a little search bar to search a women's clothing website or find craft supplies. So let's look at the hottest lifestyle gadgets. Just kind of some general stuff up at the top, like YouTube. There's a Bible verse of the day, National Geographic photo of the day. So just a lot of it's kind of random, but you think it's kind of related to like hobbies and things like that. Here's a fitness tip of the day. If you're into eating healthy, world's healthiest food gadget, more free iTunes stuff. I'll add this one. We'll just look at some more pages, kind of get an idea. Things to ponder. Top 5 movies at the box office. So a lot of it's kind of random. Love quote of the day. Art of the day. But you'll definitely probably find something that you're interested in the lifestyle section. So here's our art of the day, our quote, things to ponder, top 5 movies at the box office. Interesting photos. It's kind of a cool little gadget. I can skip through them. And they're just playing in like a slideshow right now. It's also kind of, you can see in this quote of the day that since all these gadgets aren't from Google, some of them will have ads in them, just like this one as well. So kind of keep that in mind. Any gadget from Google, I think, will probably just not have any ads. These gadgets from other places, the people that build them can choose to put ads in them if they want. So, but those are some of your options for your lifestyle gadgets in iGoogle.